Assalamualaikum, grade 4 simple machines. Next topic on page number 61. Students, these machines are used to make the work easier, including lever, inclined plane, wedge, screw, wheel and axle, and pulley. First is lever. Students, define lever. Lever is a simple machine that can lift objects with little effort, and it has two arms with that was attached at a point known as fulcrum. At this figure you can see that this is fulcrum and this is two points attached on a one point. A wheelbarrow is also a type of lever, same as a tweezer. Inclined plane is a flat surface that joins one level with a hard level. So a ramp is also as a type of inclined, and these inclined planes are used to roll the heavy objects. Now wedge. A wedge, two inclined planes joined together just like an X, and with an wedge the pointed edge surface is used to split or cut things apart just like this. Screw. Another type of inclined plane is screw. It is used to hold the objects in the place, and it is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder just like this. Next, wheel and axle. Students, wheel and axle is a wheel joined to a pole, and if there is no pole present, then the wheel will not be moved. So a skateboard used as a wheel and axle. Last one, pulley. Pulley is a machine, very simple machine, hanging with a rope and a hook. So it's used to pick heavy objects so that the objects can be lifted or loaded. Now page number 65. Learning is fun, and the answers are: first question, explain with the help of diagram how a boat floats on water. What is the force that makes this possible? Boat can float on water by upward pressure, and buoyancy is a force that works in the water. Second question, why do some things sink? Because those things have more weight than the total weight of the water. Now third question, what is gravity? How does it work? Gravity is the force that keeps us on the earth. Gravity works to keep everything on the ground. Why is it difficult to talk on the slippery floor? Because the water or liquid reduces the amount of friction between our feet and floor. Now fifth question, what is lever? How does it work? Draw a diagram to explain your answer. A lever is a simple machine that can lift objects with little effort. Diagram. Fulcrum, two arms. Sixth question, what is an inclined plane and what is it used for? An inclined plane is a flat surface that joins one level with a higher level. It is used to roll heavy objects. Question number 7, what is a wedge? Explain with the help of example. A wedge is a two inclined planes joined together. An X. How does a screw work? A screw works like an inclined plane. It is used to hold objects in plane. What type of simple machine is the doorknob? Can you explain why? A doorknob is a wheel and axle type of simple machine. Now last question, have you ever seen a crane lift a heavy load? What simple machine is it based on? Crane based on pulley. Thank you.